Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V15 Pro and let me show you how to apply night mode on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye protection mode. So actually eye protection mode is just the same as night mode, so you can smoothly activate it right now by using this switcher. As you can see, the display is already changed. You can change the screen color over here, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, however you like. And also you can schedule your eye protection mode. So you can either set the default setup, which is from sunset to sunrise, or you can schedule it manually by yourself. So just mark schedule turn on, pick start hour and the end hour. So from now on, between those hours, eye protection mode would be automatically activated and then turned off at 5 AM. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.